Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. What I want to do is take you through the inside of the new GMB tracker that you have 7 days free access to. Once you've downloaded and installed the software will load and it will look identical to as you're seeing on the screen. What you need to do to add your GMB is to click on Manage Projects. As you can see, we've got Add to Database, Import Projects, Remove from the Database, View your Database, Clear Entire Database, Export All Projects, and Edit the Project. You've got an Include Reverse Search. You've got a drop down that says Address Hidden, Address Visible, Address Hidden. The address hidden is for your service area business GMBs. You've got a GMB category selector, which you simply click on a GMB category and then select the drop down. And I think there's over 600 categories in this list. So I'm sure we have the category, the main category of your GMB. And then we've got the Add Proxies to Project. So simply click on the Add Proxies to Project. Use the built-in proxies and then select the country of where your GMB is listed. What this does, we use residential proxies that each time the system runs a search, we select a different IP address from the country of the selected. We select a different residential IP address, from the country that you've selected. You can use your own, so just select Choose from File. So all we need to do to add a GMB to the database, we would enter in the local search engine that you want to use to track the location and position of your keywords for your GMB. So as I'm based in the UK, I'll just enter google.co.uk. The GMB name, this would be the exact name as it's listed within Google Maps. So for this instance, I'll just put Lloyd's Roofing Company. If the address is visible, enter in the full address as it is listed on the GMB listing. If your address is hidden, so it's a service area business GMB, just type in NA, or in fact you can just leave the address blank. Enter in the phone number as it is, without any spaces or without any dashes. So this is wrong. This is right. No spaces, no dashes. Select your GMB category. So I would be a roofing contractor. Add in your location. As I'm in Liverpool, I'll enter in Liverpool. Now, the search with location, you can turn it on or you can leave it off. Now, what the search with location will do is, from your keyword, it'll say keyword in Liverpool, keyword in Liverpool, keyword in Liverpool. Now, I leave this turned off. And the only reason I leave it turned off is because the software changes our geolocation to the location of your geo latitude and longitude. So there's no reason for me to enter in roofing company in Liverpool when I'm actually, my geolocations are all based in Liverpool. These are just different areas within Liverpool I'm trying to rank for. So I leave the search with location off. Enter in GMB keywords list 1 per line. As you can see, I've got keyword 1 up to 30. You can add as many keywords as you want. That's a CSV file. So when you create your CSV file, click on File, Save As, and then select CSV, delimited file, click Save. And the same for your geolocations, it's a CSV file. So get your geolocations. For the US members, there is a free radius creator within the members area. You can watch that video there on how to create the radius. It's pretty simple. Enter in your zip code, select your radius in miles. Let's do 40. Create radius. The page will change, and then you've got all your geolocations for a 40-mile radius from your zip code of the location of your GMB. I'll take you through another video for that, but I just wanted to show you that the ability to find the ability to create geo radiuses is within the members area when you click on Create Radius and then US database. As you can see, I've got a UK, Australia, and Canada databases to be added. So all you need to do is make sure these files are closed, to add them to your project. So keywords, locations. Now, as long as you've completed all the inputs, you've selected your category, you've selected your proxies, what you need to do then is click on Add to Database. You see a message pop up the back, it was added, and then we can view the database. As you can see, in this instance, the address is hidden. We are using google.co.uk as the search engine. We're a roofing contractor. We have left the include reverse search off. GMB max pages, which is 5. So the reasons why we've automatically set that is because there's 20 these 20 results per page. So 20 results times 5 is 100. GMB name, Lloyd's Roofing Company. There's no address because the address is hidden. Phone number, the location of the keyword, CSV file, the GMB location, the location to the GMB geolocation data, proxy path, built-in proxies, we're using UK proxies, port proxy user, proxy pass, and then GMB search with location is false. So that is how you add a GMB to the GMB tracker version 2. Thanks guys.